Today we're going to learn how to assemble the Canon EOS 70D. Let's start off by going over the physical layout of the camera. Upon opening the case, you will find an EOS 70D DSLR camera body, 18-55mm camera lens, rechargeable battery pack, battery charger, and a USB interface cable. When you get your camera, it won't have the lens attached. So first take off the body cap and the lens cap. Next, line up the white dot on the lens with the white dot on the body. If using a full frame lens, line up with the red dot. Line those two dots and twist clockwise until a click is heard. To remove the lens, press and hold the lens release button located in the front of the camera. Grip the rear collar of the lens and gently twist away from the lens release button counterclockwise. We also have to install a memory card. To do this, locate the slot on the right side of the camera and pull towards you until a door flips open. Take an SD card with the top facing up and insert it until it clicks and stays in place. Close the slide slot. You'll need a battery to operate the camera. There's a door in the bottom that secures the battery compartment. To open, pull the switch towards you until it opens and gently push the battery in with the contacts facing the back of the camera until it clicks in place, and then close the door. The camera is now ready to use. To remove the battery, open the door and gently push the white plastic clip to the side to pop the battery out. For further instruction, you can refer to the Claremont College's library website. Thanks for watching.